So we're heading on to the next destination, and we got a Jeep Cherokee, but it's the 4x4 edition, so I'm thinking it's a little small. That's the back. This is the front. I think we got a space issue here. So, should be interesting. Right there for a moment. And hit close. We got crew, Mom, and Troy in the back. Me, and all that stuff in the front. 2-hour drive shouldn't be too bad, but it's a tight squeeze.
Here we are, en route to St. Pete. Boss man wants to be spinning. The boss baby. So, this is Mom's job for the car ride. Oh, is it not fast enough? Is it not the right side, right way? Sorry. Is that better? Better? What? Cranky pants. Needs to take a nap. Where's Troy? Where's Troy, crew? Where's Troy? What's he doing? Hi, Troy. Hi. Stuff's up there in the front. We're stuffed in the back.
Well, where are we? Harbor.
Splash Harbour.
At their water park, right? And what are you going to go on here? If the weather holds up.
Very
The slides, everything? Oh, it's already raining. Uh-oh. You ready to try out the first ride?
Yeah, but I'm gonna do the body slide tomorrow.
You got to warm up to it, you think?
Yeah.
Are you a little nervous?
Kind of. But I've done body slides before. I've actually recorded them.
Cool, that's right, we did.
But the great wolf latch ones scratch up your back.
Yeah, that's true.
Like it's not long of a wait.
No, probably isn't. It's a short slide too. I'll be right there. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, look at the skeleton. I want that skeleton on too. It's like
I
this
see
big
it.
skeleton.
Let's see if I can see Mom and crew down there somewhere.
I think.
So what's today, Troy? That guy's having a good time.
Yeah, I don't know what today is. It's on Wednesday.
Wednesday. We made it to the water park.
Okay, here we go.
Boom! Here we go, baby! Yeah! Oh yeah! How we doing?
Oh my god! This is the best thing ever! We gotta do that again!
Woo! One more time around before we go down into the next deep dark.
Oh my gosh! Oh
Here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. too, bro.
Oh, here we go. Yes!
Oh yeah! Now we got speed, bro.
We got this again.
If you do it again, you gotta do it with mom.
No. Okay. He might not be able to be strong enough and push the big stuff. You going? Woo! I don't know.
We're on delay here, aren't we? What kind of delay do we have? Rain delay? Lightning delay? But it looks pretty clear all of a sudden. As it started to clear up, we got the old rain delay alert. So that stinks. What are you drinking on? Yummy tummy or something?
Tummy yummy fruit punch patty, naturally flavored water drink.
Delicious. Well, Troy, we made it to the Holiday Inn, which supposedly has an arcade and a mini golf.
Game room.
Game room. It's pretty cool, right?
Like the lobby that has everything.
Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance, dance. Where are we? You got your Patsy? It's alright, let him go. Oh, Troy.
Oh no!
You gonna do it? Well, we searched out the game room. And here it
I opened
is.
the fire exit, but it didn't sound.
Well, lucky you.
I know.
Game room. Out of order. Also ice here.
Something happened.
Of course it did. It says 3 tokens. Did you put 3 in?
3. Okay,
You want me winning something, huh? Gotta go for the head. I think that should be a good drop.
That looks like a good drop.
Okay.
If it grabs it.
Oh, it's a good one.
Oh, well, hold on to
That's
it.
one of the things that you can.
Bingo.
That's one of the good claw machines.
Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Pretty cool.
Why is it flashing?
I had a whole bunch of quarters.
What happened?
You broke it. Holy cow, E9? You unlocked a mystery code.
What is it?
Get the popcorn, get the popcorn. Yeah, you do it. Get the popcorn. You did it. Good job.
And
Come on, get the popcorn.
good job. So distracted.
Good job! Good job!
Holy shit. Feel the love? What's Mom doing?
Our room is ready.
Okay, so there's this thingy that you can go down and Splash Harbour upstairs. Dun 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 dun. Okay, yeah, it just leads to the parking lot. That's it.
What are you doing in there? What are you doing? Here, I'll take care of that.
It's raining very, very hard.
Yeah, we're gonna get wet, but you know what? That's all right.
It's a couch.
Hopefully we survive.
Jumping, 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 jumping.
We're in a little bit of a conundrum here. I think that's what they call it. That's when your things aren't going as planned and you kind of have to wing it. Like it's raining and we're supposed to be at the pool, but we made the best. We went to the arcade, went to the restaurant, made some big ticket winnings, and now we have to figure out how to get back to our hotel in this pouring rain. It's only like a 2-minute walk, but it's downpour. So we're gonna get wet. That's what it adds up to. And if I would have brought the top to the wagon, all of our stuff and crew would be fine. But you know where it is? It's in the car.
It's where?
In the car. Came across to the other side. Checking out all the boats that we got. Pretty cool. He's ready to go down there. We're not going down there, bro. It's raining. And Troy is pretending to be in the FBI. That's my son. All right, Mr. FBI, open up. Come down. All right, Troy.
Watch this. Watch this.
It's probably enough.
Come over here.
Okay.
So, you see this water right here?
Yes, I see it. Fantastic. We made it. Boom. Crew sleeping in that room. Full kitchen. A little bit of a dining room. Master bath. Can't really see. Master bed. Can't really see. Troy watching YouTube. Definitely can see. And the old balcony. Here we go. Wow, spacious. Spacious. Here we are.